Hi, this is Rich with LA Metalworks. Are you having problems with your door trim? Is your door trim rotten? Is the paint flaking and peeling off of it? Does it just have an undesirable appeal? Well, I've got the answer for you. Here at LA Metalworks, we have created an aluminum door trim kit. It's a prepackaged kit that includes enough aluminum to cover your door's brick mold and jamb completely. Our product is made from roll-formed .019 performance aluminum. It comes in several colors, and we have two types of kits to cover all your construction needs. One kit would be a kit for siding. It will be listed as a KTS. A siding kit will have a return that will go all the way back to the wall between your J channel and your brick mold. The other type of kit is a KTB, and it is designed for a door that would be inset in a wall or inside of a concrete wall. The difference between the two kits is only that the brick kit does not have the return back to the wall. If you notice the hemmed edge, this hemmed edge helps eliminate wrinkling and creasing of the product. The kit also includes jamb material. This will inset inside the door against the brick mold cover and create an edge to seal your door trim completely. Our products are designed for faster, easier installation. There's no need for a metal brake or to call the siding professional. This is something that anybody can do on their own. If you have basic hand tools and a general understanding of basic construction practices, you too can create a professional, stunning, finished door trim. All of our products are made in the USA. Basically, we're a fabrication manufacturing company, and we produce custom trim applications from aluminum, light steel, and copper for the residential and commercial construction industry. Like I said, our products are produced in the United States by skilled craftsmen. And them craftsmen hold quality control to the highest standard. We will always strive to create a platform for homeowners, contractors, and our retail partners to easily utilize our custom fabrication services. We're an American company pursuing the American dream. We look forward to doing business with you. If you have questions or would just like more information on our door trim kits, where you can find them, or how you can get one yourself, just give me a call. My number is 573-382-6129, or you can find us on the web at brickmoldcover.com. Or if you'd like, just shoot us an email, la_metalworks@yahoo.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.